It's like 7:30 and we're going to see Pompeii. Now, if you don't know what Pompeii is, basically it's a city in southern Italy, and behind Pompeii is Mount Vesuvius. And a long time ago, before you and I were born, Mount Vesuvius erupted and it destroyed Pompeii. And so now people go just to see like the ruins of what was left from that explosion. So the thing is, it's really sunny in Pompeii. Like, there's no shade. So I'm gonna look a little crazy because I have that sun rash, and honey, I'm not trying to let it spread. I told you I was gonna look a little crazy, right? All right, guys, well, I am dressed now, so I'm just gonna grab some food, and to Pompeii we go. Ladies, you ready for Pompeii?
Yes!
It's gonna be hot, but we ready. I feel like I'm in social study class, and I never listen to the teacher. I'm zoning out, guys. This is bad. Guys, here in Italy, one pie is for one person. Are you gonna eat all that?
Not really, no.
I can help you.
Sing it's now or never.
We're done with Pompeii, and now we're heading to Positano, which is, what's Positano? Like a chic beach?
Cosmopolitan beach area, the Mediterranean.
Yes, there we go. Where everybody's a VIP.
Yes.
We made it to Positano. Now we just have to get to the beach, but look at the traffic. It's very hilly, but it's beautiful. Squeezing through this bus. This is unreal! I love this. It's like literally everything's right in front of you. We have front view. Look at the back, guys. Gorgeous. Look at those houses. Imagine people actually live on the beach. This is crazy. So beautiful.
I would come here like every day.
I would too. I'd come here every day, rinse off, and then go back to work. Girl, what do you think?
Oh, I love best part of the trip.
Best part of the trip? Really?
Yeah.
I'm serious. Well, we have Capri tomorrow.
That might top it.
I don't know. We'll see. Buongiorno, beautiful people. So this morning we are actually going to be taking a boat and heading out to Capri. Now this is the most exciting part of the trip for me. I've been wanting to go to Capri. I've heard about it and I just want to see it in person. So let's go. Can't go wrong with a visor, guys. This is cute. I'm liking it. Cause that sun, honey, and this sun rash, Okay guys, we're getting on this big ship. To Capri we go. This is Marina Grande, and now we're heading on to another boat to tour the island of Capri. Okay? I'm loving Capri. This is gorgeous! Woo! Going through the cave. So dope. That boat ride was so cool. Now we're gonna go on the funiculare to go up and see the beautiful view of Capri. Capri has my heart. I love this. Look at this view. I could literally stay here all day. This is just beautiful. Breathtaking. Virginia,
Yes.
what's your favorite place that you've been so far?
Capri, of course.
Oh yeah, she's correcting me. I have to say
Especially-
Capri.
That's right.
Why?
Especially having seen Clark Gable and Sophia Loren. It all started in Naples.
Ooh.
So here I am, finally.
Here you are,
Where
girl.
is Clark Gable?
I have like 20 minutes left on the upper part of Capri, and I remember my friend Ebony, she was asking me what I was gonna bring back for myself, and I was like, I don't know. She was like, okay, what about some like olive oil or maybe like a really pretty scarf? And so I thought about it, and yeah, those sound good, but then I thought, perfume. I'm really big on scents, and I get bored really fast. Like I'll buy a perfume and then I'll return it because I don't like the smell after like a few days. So I'm here at the perfume factory, and I'm gonna see if I can find a really nice perfume from Italy. I found my perfume. It's called Capri Forget Me Not. I'm so excited. What is the scent in this perfume?
Vanilla, mint, and fig.
Vanilla, mint, and what?
Fig.
Ooh, 20 minutes and counting, and I got it. This is very good.
Check this out.
How do you feel?
Check. Incredibly lucky, of course.
Tell me what you got, girl.
Oh, I got blue sandals.
Leather, real leather, not pleather, baby.
Soft, oh no, soft leather.
This is how much you cost me. Your free time cost me this.
I'm sorry, Rita, but it was worth it. Capri, hands down, is my favorite so far. Love it. I want to come back. I definitely will. So we are here about to have dinner at this fabulous restaurant. What is it called, Zoe? Ristorante or Paracciano?
Paracciano.
Okay. Yes. And
Paracciano.
the food is off the hook. Zoe went last night with our tour director, Rita. She loved it, so she recommended it, so we're here. We're gonna manja.
What does that mean?
Manja?
I've never heard that.
Eat, girl. Side note, Italians in Italy do not dip their bread in olive oil, but I do.
When the food is that good. Jeez, Zoe, you went in.
I didn't order this twice.
Oh my god.
Pull it, get some strength, girl. Get some muscle for that muscle.
Okay.
Dip it
And
in
now
the sauce
dip it in that sauce where
Having some
the
good
bread is.
liquid
Dip it in
and sauce on it
dip
for
it
the
and do it. Dip it and do it. Yep. Got it? You got it?
Oh god.
You know that? Eat. You got
Jesus
it.
Christ. I'm confused.
What you think though? Does it taste good?
It's not that bad.
Is it the texture?
It's the texture.
Yeah. Ay.
I want to. I think these have cheese.
I like it. All gone.
It's literally in my hotel.
Ooh, Positano in the AM. Okay guys, we are now in the little town called Amalfi. Very, very pretty. Got a beach right behind me. Now the town of Amalfi is really small, so you can get lost in one of these alleys. So I want to get lost. was told Amalfi makes really good gelato. And it's true. This is white chocolate with cereal, and then this is milk chocolate. Super good. Hey guys, so we just checked out the Amalfi Coast. I got back to the hotel and I am now dressed and ready to go because tonight we are going to a mozzarella farm tour. We're gonna see how mozzarella gets freshly made and we're gonna be having dinner there. So I'm excited. I mean, when in Italy, eat fresh mozzarella, right? I don't even drink red wine, so I'm just gonna stop right there.
To good health and to beautiful life. How about that?
I like that. Sounds good. Ching ching.
Prosciutto, mozzarella, fresh mozzarella, and some wine. Limoncello is up in here, and that's what makes it taste so good. What time is it again?
Limoncello time.
Don't shoot it, remember? Sip it. It's a creamy limoncello.
Salud.
Salud. Sip it, she says. Ooh, this is gorgeous. I mean, when am I gonna be at a mozzarella farm, right? Drinking limoncello.
Yes.
Buongiorno from Rome. Guys, we are here now in Rome. Last night we got here. I feel like I'm kind of in New York. You know, you hear the traffic, you hear some people are all over the place visiting. Yesterday we passed the Trevi Fountain and it felt like Times Square, but smaller of course. Today we're gonna be checking out the Colosseums. We're gonna go to the Trevi Fountain again. We're gonna go to the Spanish Steps. And we're just gonna go to a lot of the touristy places here in Rome. Okay guys, we just touched down. We're gonna see some of the ancient ruins. So, andiamo. These steps are steep. Ladies, get your asses tight and right. Zoe's taking us out for lunch. Where are we going, girl?
I forget what it's called, but
Okay.
I don't remember because there was a hot waiter outside giving us free Prosecco if we came in for lunch.
Ooh!
But it was actually very good. Not like a gimmick. It was yummy.
Oh.
So I got cacio e pepe, which is a classic Italian, very Roman pasta dish with it's pecorino cheese and pepper. And that's it. But it's so fresh, so good. And I got a meatball to share with my friend.
Oh, must have a meatball.
Fabulous.
Zoe told me to try the tornarelli, cacio e pepe.
I'm full now. Not eating anything until dinner. So now we are heading to the Trevi Fountain. It is very, very busy. I was here yesterday. I didn't even try to get a picture. But today we're gonna go, and the saying is, you take a few coins, put it on your right hand, and you throw it on your left shoulder, and you should return back to Rome. So, let's try it. All right, guys, we made it to the front of the Trevi Fountain. This girl, what's your name?
Lillian.
Lillian?
Yes.
Oh my God, this girl was so sweet. She took a boomerang for me of me tossing my coins, so hopefully I'll return back to Rome.
Yes.
Or Italy, we'll see. We just left the Trevi Fountain and now we're going to the Spanish Steps, and a lot of Americans refer to the Spanish Steps. They know it from the movie La Dolce Vita and some other classic movies as well that I have never seen. But I'm interested in checking out these Spanish Steps. Okay, Spanish Steps are done. It's such a beautiful day, but it's hot. Virginia was so kind enough to stay with me. Oh, I love you. I'm gonna miss you.
Miss you too.
I know. She's a Cali girl.
We're on opposite sides of the country.
East Coast, West Coast. So now we're actually taking the subway back to the hotel. This is our first time. I don't know this metro, but we are going to try it. Wish us luck. We made it back in one piece. Woohoo! Yes, home sweet home, home sweet Hilton. Ooh, this lighting is everything. All right, guys, so I just got ready. I'm dressed, I'm ready to go downstairs because tonight is our last group dinner until we leave. We are going to go home tomorrow. Some people are staying for the extended tour, but I'm gonna get out of here. But I'm gonna miss Italy. This experience was everything. I mean, just meeting the group, getting to know them. I mean, they're like really fun. And honestly, guys, I just wanted to face my fear, get out of my comfort zone, be around strangers, and explore a country, you know, I've never been to. And to end it here in Rome is magnificent. So let's go downstairs because I'm gonna be running late. They're gonna be like, where's that Indeed girl? All right, come on.
We call it bruschetta. Bruschetta.
Okay, we are heading to the Jerry Thomas Project. It's a speakeasy, and the password is...
Don't tell it to everyone on the street.
Oh, I'll tell you in a little bit, once we get in. So unfortunately, we didn't make reservations for this speakeasy, so now we're going to a tattoo art gallery, which sounds dope to me. Why not? I do think a man with a half sleeve is hot. Well, today's the day. I am actually just packed up and I'm heading downstairs to go to the airport. But Italy, Europe, it has been real. It has been great. I will be back, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if Italy's on your target and you haven't been, I hope this makes you want to go soon. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on Run It with Robin.